Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we are playing with the NERF Elite 2.0 Commander RD-6. So the NERF Commander right here is part of the Elite 2.0 line from NERF. So this one comes with 12x NERF darts right here. It has a 6-dart rotating drum. So there's a barrel attachment point right here in the front of the gun. It comes with 3 available rails, 2 on the bottom right there, 1 below the gun grip right here, 1 under here, and 1 on top right here. And on the back right here, we have a stock attachment point where we can attach our upgrade stock in the future. And this one is equipped with slam fire. So this is how you prime the gun right here, because this is not an automated NERF gun. Okay, so here's what we got. We have our 12x NERF darts right here, and we have our actual NERF Commander right here. So in terms of the size of our NERF Elite 2.0 Commander RD-6 right here, this measures 13.5 inches in length, 6.5 inches in height. Okay, so for included features and attachments, we got 12x darts right here and our NERF gun right here. It didn't come with any magazine because it features a 6-dart rotating drum right here. We also have 3 available rails for attachments right here. 1 on the bottom, just below the gun grip, and 1 here just below our rotating dart drum, and 1 on top right here near our barrel. On our barrel right here, we can also put an attachment right here. As you can see, there are cutouts on the barrel. We can attach upgrade barrels on this one right here. So on the 3 available rails, those are opportunities for us to be able to attach upgrade attachments on our NERF gun right here. We also have mentioned that we have a stock attachment feature right here on the back of our NERF gun. We can attach a stock right here on our future upgrades. I've already mentioned the 6-dart rotating drum right here. So this one, you have to load it manually on this rotating drum to be able to load the NERF gun. And like I said, this is armed or primed using this lever right here. So the NERF Commander right here comes with slam fire feature. When you say slam fire, it means that you can hold the trigger right here and use this to fire the gun continuously like that. You can fire 6 darts, one after the other, continuously by using the slam fire feature. So 1 finger on the trigger right there, and the other hand right here to prime it. Okay, ready? Let's fire. So that's how you use the slam fire feature. In terms of the included features and attachments, we are giving the NERF Commander right here score of 4 out of 5. In terms of the grip, it really does give you just an exact comfortable grip so that you can squeeze that trigger really easy. So even though there is a like a cage here, I mean the gun grip is caged with this part right here, it still is comfortable to grip by your right hand or your left. So we will still give the NERF Commander in terms of grip and handling the score of 4 out of 5. So in terms of ammo capacity, as I mentioned, we have a 6-dart rotating drum as a feature of our NERF Commander right here. So it only can load 6 darts at a time. And you have to manually insert the darts right here on the front. So it's a front loader technically. So we're giving the NERF Commander right here in terms of ammo capacity the score of 3 out of 5. So now we can load our NERF Commander with the included darts right here. We are now ready to test fire our NERF Elite 2.0 Commander RD-6. Okay, so in terms of FPS, we are now using the chronograph machine right here for the first time to measure our FPS for the NERF Commander right here. So based on the numbers right here that we got from our chronograph, it averages on 6 shots 82.5 frames per second, and the minimum is 51.4. I'm not so sure what happened with that third shot right there, because it exceeded like 201.3. I'm assuming that's an error from this machine right here. That's why we have a maximum of 201.3 right there, which I think is an error. So we're not gonna count it for our NERF Commander right here. So what we will do is we will fire another one just to balance out. So there you go, guys. Those are the numbers which we got from our chronograph right here. So the average FPS of our NERF Commander is 75 frames per second. The minimum speed is 51.4 frames per second. Ignore the maximum right there, that was an error, which is why we fired additional darts so that we can get a more accurate result in terms of our average FPS right there. So in terms of the FPS of our NERF Commander right here, we are giving it a 4 out of 5. So now I believe we can move on to our accuracy test, and we should be able to measure which score we are going to give our NERF Commander right here in terms of accuracy. So let's go do a firing test right now. Okay, so based on our firing test right there, we are giving the NERF Commander RD-6 right here a score of 3.5 in terms of accuracy. So there we go, guys. So to tally our score for our NERF Commander RD-6 right here. So in terms of included features and attachments, we gave this a score of 4 out of 5. In terms of grip and handling, we gave it a score of 4 out of 5 as well. In terms of ammo capacity, we have given it a 3 out of 5. Based on the FPS which we have measured using our chronograph, we have given it a score of 4 out of 5. And last but not least, our accuracy, which is based on our firing test right there, we have given it a score of 3.5 out of 5. So overall, our NERF Commander RD-6 right here have earned a total of 18.5 points out of 25 possible points. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of the NERF Commander RD-6 right here. For inquiries and comments, please leave them all down below. Please also do not forget to check out our next video where we would be getting our attachments and putting it on our NERF Commander RD-6 right here. So that video is up next. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our Nerf gun reviews right here, as well as our usual uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.